Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to increase the copy paste speed for USB pen drive when you transfer a data from computer to USB or a USB to pen drive. So how to increase transfer speeds. So let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, in this video tutorials I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. First of all, connect a USB with your computers, and after doing this step you can select a USB drive and right click on it and go to your properties. After doing this step, go to your hardware, and after that select a USB pen drive, and after that go to your properties. When you open a new pop-up window, then go to your policies. After that you can see that it's automatically selected a quick removal. Okay guys, you can select a better performance. Now after doing this, click on the OK button and click on OK. I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed, and copy paste speed of the USB will increase, but if it is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that select it and right click and go to your properties. After that, at this time go to your tools sections. After that click on a check now option, and it's automatically click on automatically fixes method. When you start it, it's the window start automatically and fix if any issues. Then it's take for a few minutes to require the time. So after that it's automatically fix the all issues. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your desktop and go to your my computer and right click and go to your manage. After that go to your device manager. After that go to your universal serial bus controllers and click on it. Now you can select first is a generic USB hub, and click on update the driver software, and you can click on search automatically update drivers. It's required a few minutes and it's automatically updated your drivers. So if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is test it if your USB is empty, then you can format it in select file system. Select is a NTFS. You can select the NTFS and format the USB if your USB is empty and not important data is available in your pen drive. Then you can select the NTF and format it. If your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The fifth method is that go to your start menu and click on a CMD. After opening a CMD, you can select. You can type a command NETSH space INT space TCP space SET and space, and after type a global GLOBAL and space, and after that type a auto tuning level is equal to disable. Now type this command, and after that press enter button. It's required a few seconds, and after completing that, I'm sure that your USB speed will increase. But if you are still, then you can try a next method. The next method that go to your start menu and type up window features. and select it. After that, you can select the remote differential compressions, and you can see that at this time is checked. So uncheck it and click on OK button. After doing this step, I'm sure that your problem has fixed, and increase the copy paste speed from your USB. I'm sure that. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.